This is how to reset the oil change reminder or the maintenance reminder on a 2023 Acura Integra or a 2024 Acura Integra. There's two ways you can do it. There's this little knob right here on your steering wheel, and you can use it and go to your, keep going, just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, until you get to this screen that says maintenance oil life. Now, one option when you're at that screen, you can see it says 100% because I already reset it. But what you can do is hold this for about 10 seconds and reset it. Or if you don't want to do that and you got the screen in your Acura Integra, you'll push the home button. And then once you're at home, now you've got to be in park or this isn't going to work. So when you're in park, go over to push the arrow, go to vehicle settings. See, it says vehicle settings. Go to vehicle settings. And then once you're in vehicle settings, you can push this button or little arrow. It says maintenance info. Go to maintenance info. It says oil life 100%, oil and filter. Now what you can do is select reset items. So see this button here, it says select reset items. You can do that. And then you could do all due items, you know, depending upon the maintenance that was performed. Now I did the oil change, the oil and the filter, the tire rotation, didn't do spark plugs or any of that. But you could select what you did. I'm just going to say all due items. And so do reset. And now it's reset it. Maintenance information has been reset. So that's how to reset your maintenance, you know, after service has been changed. And I hope it's simple. I mean, that's what you did. I mean, obviously take it to your Acura dealership, let them do it. But if you go somewhere else and you like me, you're trying to get a discount and it's such a good deal that they may not know how to reset your in-car maintenance info, that's how you do it. So you can do it from the screen, or you can choose to use this right here. I just demonstrated with the screen. But then once it's reset, you should see your oil life is 100% again. So that shows that it's acknowledged it. And obviously, again, I just changed my oil. And that's how you do it. How to reset the maintenance reminder, how to reset the oil life reminder in a 2023 Acura Integra or a 2024 Acura Integra. This is the 2024 Acura Integra A-Spec with technology. Thanks for your viewership. I hope this video helped. If it did, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell. If it made you feel really good, send me a super thanks. You can do that by clicking the thanks button directly below this video. Not required, but deeply appreciated. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.